A simple Burgess Bird book study. This is a simple guide that we're using. You don't even need a guide. This gives some information behind the bird that we're learning in that particular chapter. There is some book recommendations and an author biography. So that's what we did on our first day, is learn about the author. You're going to need the Burgess Bird book for children, and this particular copy does not have pictures. So I went online and printed the free pictures just to have a visual. These are in color, which I know the original book is in black and white, so we've enjoyed looking at these. And we have sketchbooks, so we are just sketching the bird that we're learning about, and they can choose from various resources how they want to sketch it. There is a little pocket in this particular one, which you can put a page, like a cover page, and slide it in there. These we're just going to put our finds from our nature walk to keep them protected. And you need books.